My name is Jackie Nytes, and I'm a city county councilor here in Indianapolis. Yeah. I'm also the precinct committee woman for the 4th Ward and the 3rd Precinct, which is this neighborhood. And it's the primary election, so this is where each party, the Republican Party and the Democrat Party, will pick their candidates for the general election that will be held in November.
Yes.
And each state can decide when to have their primary. So some states had them many months ago.
Yes.
And it's very unusual for the Indiana primary to matter because most of the time the other states have had their primaries already, and it is very clear who would be the candidates in November. But this year, on the Democrat side, it's almost tied. It's very close. Obama's a little bit ahead.
Yes.
And Clinton had some good victories, so she thinks maybe she is still competitive. So what happens in Indiana today really matters.
So electors vote for Obama or Clinton, but there's a lot of other names on the ballot.
Absolutely.
What
there
does
are
mean?
many different offices are on the ballot today. The governor for the state of Indiana is on the ballot. The state representatives, both in the Senate and in the House of Representatives here in Indiana, are on the ballot. Plus, our representatives to Washington, D.C. are on the ballot. The judges, we also elect our judges, and so the local judges are on the ballot today. The treasurer, the surveyor, the coroner, all these people are on the ballot. And there are even some school board members whose election is on the ballot today.
Yes.
So offices from school board all the way up to president are on the ballot today.
So, if I understand, voters have to choose between two ballots, a ballot for Democrat, a ballot for Republican.
Correct.
Yes. And do you think there's a lot of voters for Republican today? Because
not here. You know, if you look at the map of the city, I could show you places where there will be many Republican ballots and only a couple of Democrat ballots.
Yes.
Here, we don't have very many Republicans in this neighborhood. And now, even the ones we have are mostly voting Democrat today because they like Barack Obama.
And at this time, it's quite 4 p.m.
Yes.
What do you think about the numbers of voters?
Usually in this location, if we have 400 votes for the whole day, we are happy.
Yes.
We already have 450, and we have 2 more hours to go.
Yes.
So I think maybe we will make 650 or 700 here today.
How do you explain that?
I think the excitement about the primary mattering, the fact that this year what happens in Indiana can change the country, and usually that is not the case.
What means the sticker on your face?
When you
I
go
voted.
to the next
Yeah, you voted
table,
upside down.
Congratulations.
I know.
have you signed the ballot?